Now, we have some really exciting news to share. We've thus far, as we've come through this pandemic and pushing out these vaccines, we've talked about them as our shot of hope. Well, starting right now, your shot of hope is about to get a lot more interesting. Today, we're announcing Team Kentucky's shot at 1 million. The safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines are why we are where we are today. We're winning our war against this evil virus this year, and we are steadily returning to all those activities and life events we had to sacrifice in order to save lives. These vaccines are modern medical miracles, and I believe in their timing, a gift from God. Almost overnight, they have turned the tide, reducing a staggering number of deaths that we were seeing at long-term care facilities and allowing us to get our children back to in-person instruction. To date, more than 2 million Kentuckians have rolled up their sleeves to protect themselves, their loved ones, and their communities. I think the fact that we have vaccinated, now 2,060,000 Kentuckians is special and it's important. We are over 84%, we believe, the CDC's website, of Kentuckians over 65, which is incredible. But we need to do even more. We need even more of our fellow Kentuckians to get vaccinated before we can truly be free of COVID-19's threat. So today we're announcing 2 incentives that are just amazing. We know COVID vaccines are life-saving, and now for some people, they're going to be life-changing. In the coming weeks, 3 vaccinated Kentuckians 18 years or older will become millionaires. And 15 Kentuckians ages 12 to 17 will win full ride scholarships to a public Kentucky college, university, or technical or trade school, which includes tuition, room and board, and even books. First, your shot of hope can now be your shot at 1 million. Every Kentuckian 18 and older who has received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine or 1 dose of Pfizer or Moderna can enter for a chance to win $1 million. That's everybody that has already been vaccinated, minus people who work for me and a couple of other groups, and also anybody moving forward that gets vaccinated before the drawing. 3 separate drawings will be conducted, so 3 vaccinated Kentuckians out there are about to hit the jackpot with plenty of time for others to get that shot and then to get their shot. For our younger Kentuckians, we have an equally big deal prize. 15 vaccinated Kentuckians 12 to 17 are receiving full ride scholarships to a public college, university, technical, or trade school in Kentucky. Think about that. I mean, truly life-changing going forward. Tuition, room, board, textbooks. If you've attended a post-secondary institution recently, or maybe you're a parent or guardian putting a child through college, you know this is a big, big expense. And I said, winning $1 million or a free education is truly life-changing. It opens up untold possibilities and opportunities. And here, all you got to do is the right thing. Get protected from a terrible virus, help us defeat COVID-19, help us reach herd immunity, and maybe, just maybe, end up with $1 million or a free education. These drawings will be held July 1st, July 29th, and August 26th. Winners will be announced the day after each drawing. We need a little bit of time to contact the people and to make sure we've got everything taken care of. So those means the announcements will be July 2nd, July 30th, and August 27th. You can find all the information at shotatamillion.ky.com. On that website, you're going to see the portal that you need to register on. There'll be the terms and conditions. There will be a phone number for those that don't have access to the internet to sign up, and we'll be getting that out in the coming weeks too. If you've already gotten your shot, good for you. You're eligible. All you have to do is sign up. If you haven't gotten your shot, go get it. Protect your family and get qualified for this amazing opportunity. If you're on the fence, how about a free ride to college? Or how about the best odds that you will ever have at winning $1 million? All you got to do is the right thing that every public health official in America says you ought to be doing, anyways. So now I'd like to welcome somebody who really helped us put this together, who has been a great partner in governing and has really shown so much vision. That's Dr. Aaron Thompson, President of the Kentucky Council on Post-Secondary Education. He has been a tireless advocate for the Commonwealth. He has been huge. Incredible leadership during COVID-19. We could not have a better person in his spot. Dr. Thompson, I'll clap for you.
Well, thank you, Governor. First of all, I'm assuming I'm not eligible for the million?
You were not.
Okay, I thought I'd check. But first of all, Governor, I want to thank you for being the education governor, for not just focusing on P-12, but also higher education. This initiative actually does two things for the recovery of our economy. One, it provides really the life vision that higher education is important to have a sustainable income and a sustainable way of building wealth. Number two, the health and safety of our people is crucial to not just the recovery of the economy, but a sustainable economy. Thank you for both. I look forward to being your partner throughout, not just this event, but throughout the entire term of your governance. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. And hopefully in the coming weeks and months, Dr. Thompson and I have big plans, and we hope that there'll be many other announcements on many other fronts to help bring us into the future. What a great opportunity, Kentucky. Do not pass this up. Protect yourself, protect your family. Help us defeat a pandemic that has killed 7,000 Kentuckians, and at the same time get a shot at 1 million or get a shot at a free college education. Remember, these vaccines are why we're filled with so much hope right now. It's why we're back here in the Capitol in person. It's why we're getting to go back to so many things. It's why June 11th is going to be such a special day, and it's why our economy is set for liftoff, or as Moody says, recovering with gusto. Help us achieve ultimate victory over COVID-19. Get your vaccine, sign up. It might be worth $1 million.